In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can clear your app data and cache on your Android phone. Okay, so what you need to do is open up the settings on your phone, and then you want to scroll down until you find apps. Tap on apps, and then you want to tap on where it says apps again. And for this example, I'm going to search for an app I want to clear the data for, so I'll search for Instagram. So right here, tap on Instagram. And then you want to tap on where it says storage. It might be slightly in a different location on your phone, but tap on storage. And then you want to tap on clear data. Tap on OK. And the data and the cache will be cleared for that specific app. And you can go ahead and repeat the process for as many of the apps as you want. So that is how you clear the data and the cache for specific apps on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.